Hello everyone. In this video, we continue with generic XY plotting in R programming language. Last time, we focused on functions in R. We learned how to construct a function with and without inputs. You can check that video using the link on the right corner. Let us move on to today's topic. We will focus on generic plotting function plot and we will answer the following questions. How to use the plot function in R? How can one construct a line plot using plot function in R? How to change arguments of a line plot? One of the most used plotting functions in R programming is probably the plot function. It's a generic function, which means that it includes many methods which are called according to the type of the object passed to plot. In the simplest case, we can pass in a vector. So we will get a scatter plot of magnitude versus index. However, in general, we provide two vectors and a scatter plot of these points are plotted. We also would like to emphasize some of the best practices regarding the generic plotting. First, plots should be understandable. Second, contrasting colors should be employed. And last, annotations can be useful for a small number of data points. Let us start with the syntax. We use plot together with two main inputs, x and y. Here x and y correspond to axes x and y respectively. We will provide two arrays and the points will be plotted. Let us plot the function y equal to x squared. To do that, first we need to create x values. We create x values by using the sequence function. And then we can compute y values by using the definition of the function, which was x squared. After we created the arrays x and y, now we can use the function plots. As said before, we need to provide x and y as an input for the function. Let us check output of the code chunk. As you can see on the screen, the plot is created with the function y equal to x squared. The function shows the points with black circles. This is the default setting for the function. Let us continue with the details of the function. This time, we will learn how to change the type of the plotting. What I mean by this, on the plot above, the points are shown as points and there were no lines in between them. However, we can change the way the points are presented. We can specify this as an input in the function by using the comment type. There are 7 types that we can use. Type B includes only points, which is the default setting. Type L presents only lines without any black dots. Type B shows both points and lines, and type O uses the same setting, however, it uses overplotting setting. Type H stands for histogram, and type S is the stair steps. And type N basically means no plotting. We can try to plot y equal to x squared by using type L. As you can see, this time the function is plotted as a line and it does not show the exact points with black dots. If you want to see the exact points, we use the type B, which means both the line and the points will be plotted. Let us see how it will affect the plot. So the function is drawn and the points are shown together with a line in between them. However, one might want to see a continuous line rather than a discrete one. To do that, we can employ type O, where a line is plotted over the points. Let us focus on the looking of the graph. We can make a graph better looking. We can specify labels for x and y axis. We can also add a title to the graph. By using plot function, again together with x and y arrays, we can this time specify type, color, line width, x label, y label, and a main. We can specify a color for the line and names for the axis x and y as x and y equal to x squared respectively. We can also specify a title for the plot by using the input main. Our plot is drawn with a blue color and line width 5. And we add a title as a graph of y equal to x squared. It would also be possible to have more than one graph on a single plot. We can do this as following. Initially, we use plot for the first plot. Then, we add another plot by using the function points and lines. We specify the related x and y values when we are adding the additional graphs. Let us add y equal to 2x and y equal to 1 over half x squared as examples. We define their line colors as red and dark red respectively. We also specify the title as multiple graphs. And this is the output of the code check. We first draw the blue line and then we add red line and the dark red line. The last thing we are going to look at in this video is the signs of the points. In default, I use the circles for each data point in the data frame. However, we can change this by using PCH input. There are 26 different PCH values, differing from rectangles to triangles and circles. You can try different PCH values and let us know which PCH value is your favorite one in the comments. Today, we see how to use plot function for different scenarios, and also we saw how to change the color of graph and the type of the graph. Thank you for watching our videos. Please give us a thumbs up if you like our video. We will continue to create contents with your great support. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. We will be happy to answer your questions. Bye bye.